Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dryer inner door panel. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new inner door liner. The inner door liner is located on the back side of the dryer door. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's cracked or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dryer door. Now that we have the door open, we can use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the two screws that hold it onto the frame. Before we take the door off, we're going to put a towel on the top of the dryer. We're going to set the door up there so we can take it apart. With the towel already up there on the top, we can carefully lift up on the door and pull the hinges out of the frame. Once you have the door off, you can set it on top of the dryer so we can get ready to take it apart. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver and go around and remove all the screws that hold the door panels together. With all the screws out, we can lift up on the bottom of the door liner and make sure that it comes out from underneath this lip up here on the top, and then you can pull it off of the door assembly. Here's the old inner door liner next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. We do have to transfer all the brackets over to the new one, so on these silver brackets, we're just going to lift them out and set them aside for right now, and we'll put those in once we put it back together on the dryer. To take off the brackets on the other side, we're going to turn the inner door liner over. There's two styles of brackets on here. They're all changed out the same way. The ones on the edges are the same, and the ones on the bottom are the same, but different, so you can't mix them up. In order to get these off, all you have to do is get underneath them with a small flathead screwdriver and pop them up, and then rotate them towards the outer edge of the door and pull it out. Now that we have the brackets off the old inner door liner, we're going to get it out of the way and put the new one in its place so we can put the brackets on that. To put the brackets onto the new inner door liner, we're just going to slide them in there the same way we took them off. Push them forward till they stop, and then rotate them down, push them into place. Now that we have all the brackets installed on the liner, we can put the door back together. To put the new inner door liner in, same as we took it off, we want to first hook this underneath the lip on the outer door. Then we can set it down into place. Once you have it all the way down and lined up, we can go around with our Phillips screwdriver and put all the screws in. Now we can put the bracket with the strike on it. All you have to do is slide it into its little slot right there, push it into place, and line it up so we can put the screw in. This bracket goes in just like the one on the other side. You push it into its slot and line it up so we can put the screw in. Now that we have the door put back together, we can reinstall it on the dryer. To put the door back on, you want to make sure that the hinges are open and the tabs are out. And you have to put the tabs into the two holes, top and bottom. Once you have the lower one in, then we can line the upper one up and put those in. Once you have them both in, you can push down on the door to line up the screw holes, and then we can use our Phillips screwdriver to put the screws back in. Once you have both screws in, you can close the dryer door, plug the dryer back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.